Hey everyone, as many of you know, I'm working at a strawberry farm for the summer. I really want to make a video about it, but I can't right now. My job right now is to remove all the plants that are not strawberries, like grass and other stuff I don't even know the English names for. It's honestly really tiring, but maybe when the strawberries are ready, I can take a video of picking and show you what it's like. I really wish I could share that now. Anyway, for breakfast today, we have yesterday's leftover egg butter, and I spread it on my toasted bread once it's ready. Simple, but really tasty.